Hey you guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. It's already late in the evening, so I'm pretty tired. Therefore, I'm filming this video how I am cleaning off my makeup every day and how I've been doing this for I think last like 9 months or so. Lots of you guys been asking actually how come my skin improved so much, and this is legitimate my secret. So first thing first, I have extremely sensitive skin, and then I say extremely, I mean it. Like any touch, if you've been following my channel, you guys, I'm pretty sure know this, any touch, anything, like my skin gets red. And then I say red, it gets red like a beetroot red, just because my skin is so sensitive. Plus I have a rosacea, I have acne breakouts, I have oily skin as well. But when I say sensitive, for that reason I can't use a lot of things. First of all, the makeup wipes are the biggest mistake that I ever did by trying to use it, because that just irritates my skin the worst. Because I have rosacea, other like reusable makeup pads that I tried in the past didn't work either for me. It was too harsh for my sensitive skin. So therefore, I come up with my own brand. If you guys still don't know, I do own B.U.beauty. I created it all from A to Z. So I came up with this B.U.beauty Bye Bye Makeup. You actually helped me name this. I did a poll on the B.U.beauty Instagram asking you the name of how we should name it, and this is a name you guys came up, so thank you for helping. So yeah, so we have 3 reusable makeup removing microfiber square pads. The reason I went for square because I find it way much easier when the circle to remove the inner eye corner makeup, because the circle I just can't get into there. I always wear a highlighter or some kind of popping color in the inner eye corner, and honestly guys, round makeup removing pads just can't do it. So I went for a square shape suitable for sensitive skin like mine, because I especially made this basically for myself because I couldn't find a product that would work for my sensitive skin and wouldn't irritate, especially with rosacea, because it kind of takes off this first layer if I use any other brand. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, because it irritates my skin. Anything else, like, I can't use it. Therefore, I went with this. It's water activated, you don't need anything else. It's non-toxic because all the dyes used are plant-based. And you can reuse it up to 500 times, so one pad would last you nearly 2 years. Like a year and a half, let's say. It's like cruelty free and vegan friendly and good for planets. When I was creating this brand, I had this big idea of being as eco-friendly as possible, so therefore no plastic packaging. All of the packaging is 100% recyclable. So inside we have 3 reusable makeup removing pads. As I said, one lasts for around 500 times, so year and a half. So because we have 3, this is 4.5 years worth, you guys. You are sorted for 4.5 years. So just imagine how much money you save if you would use, you know, this instead of micellar water, makeup removing oils, or anything like this. And the packaging for that comes together with like micellar water or makeup removing oils, wipes, and so on. This is such an eco-friendly option and good for your own pocket, because it's so much cheaper if you break it down to 4.5 years worth, you know. I just want to show you how super soft it is. Can you guys see how fluffy it is? So because I have super sensitive skin, it's been specially created with this in mind. So it's extra soft. As you can see, it's dual color, so we have white side and black side. So the idea with that I had to start off cleaning your makeup with a black side, like wipe it all off. How I start doing this, I always start from my face, then I do my eyes, and then I do my lips. This is how I do, I don't know, my kind of technique. And then after I clean all the face, I come back with a white side to see if I missed any spots, because on the white you can see better. Let's dip this in the water and clean the makeup off. Keep it under running water for a second or 2, and then squeeze the excess water off, and we're good to go. Okay, so we got our wet pad. As I said, I always start kind of from the face, and then I'm gonna go in with the eyes, and then the lips. I'll usually do last, but this is just the way I prefer to do it. Mind you, my skin might still look a bit red. It's just because I have extremely sensitive skin. When I say extremely, I mean it. I'm also wearing today the waterproof mascara, so we'll see how this is gonna go. It should remove waterproof mascara with ease. And we're using only water, which is crazy. What I like to do, I just hold on the eye, kind of melt the mascara a bit. You see? And then just brush it upwards. So you see the corner, like I said, this is perfect for removing the inner eye corner, the highlighter. You see it's gone. Okay, let's do this eye. Let's go with the white side now. And this is how I've been cleaning off my makeup for the last 9 months. What do you guys think? Would you give this a go? Would you try the reusable makeup pads, or you tried already in the past and you're loving it or hating it? Leave a comment down below, let me know. I am super proud of this product that I created. Very sensitive, skin friendly, that is non-toxic, no single-use plastic inside at all, vegan and cruelty free. If I could brag about it more, I would, but you know, it's my baby, so I love it and my skin loves it. I mean, look at that, my skin looks so much better. So this is one of my, you know, big secrets that I so wanted to share with you for such a long time, and I couldn't because we didn't launch, so I'm sharing this now. Yeah, that's one of the reasons my skin looks so good, because I'm finally properly cleaning off the makeup daily. So yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. If you have any questions about this product, I'm surely can answer this to you. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, and yeah, I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have a good night, guys. Ciao!